Can't stop, badness can't stop.
Yeah. Go on mute, yeah, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute your star. Only put pressure in my corner. One time it hard for carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, pan the journey so far. Show me know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and start hold me harder.
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this one. Alright, so today we want to talk about Prince Swanny, Trinidadian artist, big dancehall artist, and he was the victim of attempted murder. Yeah, so gunmen in Coronage made after Prince Swanny's life, and this is the second time that they tried to kill him in his hometown because he's originally from Port of Spain, but then he moved to Coronage when he was 7 years old and have been living there until he became this big dancehall stars. And we actually have video and sounds of you seeing and hearing the gunshots that was being fired at Prince Swanny trying to take his life. So we're going to show you that video right now. Alright, so that was the video, and my advice to Prince Swanny and my advice to many other dancehall artists and people in general that are originally from the ghetto, from bad areas where there's a lot of killings, there's a lot of backbiting, there's a lot of, stabbing the back and all these things. If you get the opportunity to make it out of the ghetto, to make it out of the slums, you go and live somewhere where you are comfortable, where you can sleep at night and you don't have people chasing you, and you literally have to look over your shoulders 24/7 trying to protect your life, right? You don't need to, you can go and visit if need be, but if you know that people are actually in the community that you're from that are jealous and envy of your success, then why would you risk your life to go back there for them to try and kill you over and over again? It just doesn't make sense. So again, this should be a strong warning to Prince Swanny that he's originally from that area, but know that he's a big dancehall artist, touring all over the place, traveling, making lots of money. And all these things, they are going to see you, they are going to be envious, and they do not like your success. They want to get rid of you because they cannot program you. They cannot get anything that they want out of you. So what will they do? They will try to take your life because they know that is the only other option that they have, right? So again, dancehall artists, Trinidadian artists, Jamaican artists, and artists in general, get away from that surrounding. Leave the ghetto, make it stay, left it. You see me? Just move from this and go uptown or go some nicer place in a Trinidad where you know so you have to look over your shoulder. You see me? Where you have homes are protected by security company. So anything go off, alarm go off or anything, you know say the security company reach there in no time. You see me? Carry them dog and them big gun if you come check the premises to make sure say everything's safe. You in the ghetto, everybody down there have a gun. You see me? Everyone have a gun. So make sure say una do the right thing and keeping yourself safe and keeping your family safe, and uno keeping yourself safe for uno family. So uno can continue to be the breadwinner for your family. You see me? It doesn't matter where. It doesn't matter if it's in Trinidad or if it's in Jamaica. The badness can't stop. Chronic Law don't tell you that badness cannot stop. You see me? And artists need to understand this. Artists are artists and bad man are bad man. Separate yourself from certain surrounding where you know say it are gonna stop you from entertaining your fans. It are gonna stop you from continuing to live life. You see me? Because the man them are gonna dirt you if you come back into the place. So youth, stay away from Coronage. You see me? Alright, if you make it to the end of this video, thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.